Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to increase your snap score. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just open Snapchat here and then tap on profile icon here. So guys, as you can see, my snap score is 347 now. So how can I increase this? I will show you. So go back and from here tap on below button, and here you can see multi snap. So tap it, and from the add button you have to take pics. So guys, as you can see, multi snap can capture up to 8 snaps at a time. So after that, what you have to do is just type on OK and then tap on send to, and from here send as many friends as you can and then tap on send to. So guys, it's sending now. So it has been sent. So go back and then tap on Snapchat and then tap on profile icon here. So guys, as you can see, my snap score is 419 now. So you can increase your snap score by following these steps. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like this and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.